Imagine yourself in this Subaru 2017 Outback Limited. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Enjoy these notable features: Eyesight and navigation and BA and RAB and HID lights included, Eyesight system with lane keep assist, lead vehicle start alert, vehicle in front, cruise control on, cruise control set, follow distance setting indicator, lead vehicle indicator, lane departure and sway indicator, pre-collision indicator, ready indicator, sub-vehicle speed display, steering wheel indicator, warning chime, lane departure off, warning light, pre-collision braking system off, indicator light system temporary off, warning light system malfunction off, warning light and eyesight camera malfunction, warning light, lane departure warning, sway warning and warning off, switch, pre-collision system braking system off, switch, brake assist and throttle management, engine control, adaptive cruise control, high beam assist, reverse auto brake, HID headlights, radio, Subaru Starlink.